doing the HSC this year? Approach it with confidence with our Year 12 Gateway program. Our program is free and available to Year 12 students who attend one of our Gateway schools, whose home address meets safer criteria, or who are Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander. Our Year 12 Gateway program will support you to maximise your ATAR, feel prepared for university, and guide you through the Gateway Admission Pathway application to secure a place at UNSW. Through the online program, you'll receive access to our exclusive online academic resources, subject-specific workshops, practice papers, and personalised feedback from experienced HSC teachers and markers. We will also provide you with the tools to craft a strong personal statement to apply for an early offer to UNSW through the Gateway Admission Pathway. Then join us on campus at UNSW Sydney during the school holidays to explore degree options, engage in faculty activities led by UNSW academics, and speak with current university students about their experiences at UNSW. When you join the Gateway program, you'll learn to harness your strengths, feel more prepared for the HSC, and meet other motivated Year 12 students. Make your journey to UNSW easy. Register for the Year 12 Gateway program on our website today.